Okay, today we are going to be removing and replacing the window glazing bead or glazing strip. Okay, here is our window. As you can see, I have already removed the bottom strip, and now I am going to remove the strip on the left. The easiest way to do this is to use a sharp chisel such as the one that I have here. I'm going to orient it this way, and as you can see, what I'm trying to do is to move the glazing bead over towards the center of the window. So I'm not trying to pull it off yet towards myself, but rather push it towards the middle. Once it does that, then it'll pop off easily. Just start at one end and work your way down. Now that we got the one on the left done, we are going to do the top one. Pretty simple, just like that. Okay, now we are going to reinstall the glazing beads. Now mine were done in such a way that I have to do the bottom one first, but please keep in mind your window might be different. As you can see, what I'm doing is just inserting that glazing bead right into the slot against the frame of the window. Again, I'm starting on one side and just pushing it in using my fingers. It should not be requiring any huge amount of force. You just go all the way down until it all snaps in, and then we go ahead and we're going to do the next pieces all in the same way. And there you go, we're finishing up the last one. It's that simple. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks. Bye.